Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 41, 42, 43, and 44. Whatever I have rashly said, from carelessness or love, addressing you as O Krishna, O Yadav, O friend, and regarding you merely as a friend, unknowing of this greatness of yours.
Chapter 11, Shloka 41. Saketi matva prasabam yaduktam He Krishna, He Yadava, He Saketi Ajanata mahimanam tavetam Maya pramadat pranayena vapi.
In whatever way I may have insulted you for the sake of fun, while at play, reposing or sitting, or at meals, when alone with you, O Achyuta, or in company, that, O immeasurable one, I implore you to forgive me.
Chapter 11, Shloka 42. Yachavaha sartam asatkritosi viharashayya sanabhojaneshu ekotavapyachyuta tatsamaksham tatshamaye tvam aham aprameyam.
You are the Father of this world, moving and unmoving. You are to be adored by this world. You are the greatest Guru, for there exists none who is equal to you. How can there be then another superior to you in the three worlds, O being of unequaled power?
Chapter 11, Shloka 43. Pitasi lokasya characharasya tvamasya pujyascha gururgariyan natvat samosti apyadika kudonyo lokatrayepi apradima prabhava.
Therefore, bowing down, prostrating my body, I crave for forgiveness. O adorable Lord, as a father forgiveth his son, a friend his friend, a lover his beloved, even so should you forgive me, O Deva.
Chapter 11, Shloka 44. Tasmat pranamya pranidaya kayam prasadaye tvam ahamisham idyam piteva putrasya sakeva sakyuhu priya priyayar hasideva sodum.
Chapter 11, Shloka 41, 42, 43, and 44. Arjuna feels that he has been a sinner due to lack of right knowledge of Lord's greatness, and so very much lived foolishly in the past. This is an emotion that rises when one suddenly realizes the glory of the divine. Up till now, Arjuna considered Krishna his contemporary, a friend, an intelligent cowherd boy, but now, when he recognizes Krishna, the infinite, he prostrates in all loyalty and love and pleads for his divine mercy and forgiveness. In his familiarity, Arjuna may have called Krishna by his pet names. So, under the pressure of voiceless emotion, he says, Thou art the Father of the whole world, constituted of the moving and the unmoving. No doubt, the three worlds of the waking, dream, and deep sleep states are the interpretations of the same eternal from the levels of the gross, subtle, and causal bodies, and that the truth illumines these experiences is everywhere the same. Now, Arjuna feels Krishna's greatness and superiority, and so discovers in him a greater eloquence. Arjuna realizes that he is in the presence of the Almighty and so prostrates, surrendering ourselves in order to rise above ourselves into the spiritual fields is true prostration. Our experience of the divinity has been looted away because of our false identifications with the matter layers. To the extent we come out of our delusions, we shall be closer to realize our divinity. Ego is nothing but the bundle of filth collected amongst matter. So when we approach the Lord, that is the only tribute of love we have to offer at his divine feet. Arjuna pleads with the Lord to bear with him as a father would with his son, as a friend with his friend, as a lover with his beloved. He pleads forgiveness for all these immodest crimes perpetrated against the Lord, the Creator. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.